Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Lightning UPI in Binance. Open your Binance app and tap Wallet to begin the setup. Follow the on-screen prompts to choose UPI, link your bank, and complete verification quickly and securely. Enable Lightning UPI as your preferred payment option and set a default bank. Finally, run a small deposit test to confirm the connection and ensure seamless transfers and peace of mind. Start by making security your priority and enable two-factor authentication right away for added protection. Create a strong passcode and avoid sharing it, and consider setting transaction limits such as 00 to limit exposure. Keep KYC documents ready so any verification requests are quick and smooth. Regularly review active devices and sessions in your account to spot anything unusual early and prevent unauthorized access or accidental transfers. If a transfer fails, first double-check your VPA and confirm your bank's UPI status before attempting again to avoid duplicate attempts. Review Binance fee details and Lightning settlement times so you understand small fees or expected delays. If you need higher limits, complete enhanced KYC to unlock larger thresholds. Consider splitting big amounts into smaller transfers and keep transaction records for quick dispute resolution if anything looks off during the process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.